In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Squarespace website. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative professional looking to showcase your work, getting your site live is a crucial step to reaching a wider audience. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as the control hub for your website. Here, you'll have access to all the tools and features you need to customize and manage your site. Next, look for the Publish Your Site button. It's usually located prominently on your dashboard, indicating the next step of your site building journey. Clicking this button is essentially telling Squarespace that you're ready to make your site visible to the public. However, before you can proceed, there's a crucial step to note. Squarespace requires you to upgrade your account to publish your website. This means selecting a subscription plan that best meets your needs. Upgrading unlocks additional features and resources, enhancing your website's performance and appearance. Many users find this step beneficial as it also comes with a custom domain, additional analytics, and more storage options, depending on the plan you choose. To proceed with upgrading, click on Upgrade to Publish, which will prompt you to the selection of available plans. Here, you can review the options and choose a plan that fits your needs, whether it's a personal, business, or e-commerce plan. Each plan offers different features and levels of support, so take your time to compare and decide. Once you've settled on a plan, click on Select Budget. This action takes you to the billing cycle choices, where you can decide between monthly or annual payments. A quick tip here: opting for the annual payment usually offers a discount, making it a cost-effective choice if you anticipate using Squarespace for a long-term project. With your billing cycle chosen, the next step is to confirm your selection. Click Confirm Selection to proceed, bringing you to the Payment Information page. Here, enter your payment details carefully. Squarespace accepts multiple forms of payment, making it convenient regardless of your preferred method. Finally, after entering your payment information, click on Save and Continue. This action finalizes your purchase process, and soon enough, your site will be live and accessible to the world. Remember, after publishing, you can always return to your dashboard at any time to make changes, update content, and explore more customization options. And that's it. You're now ready to share your work, ideas, or products with the world using your newly published Squarespace website. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing!